So we are here at Carvana with the boy Everett.
Yes, sir.
Everett.
Everett.
All right.
Title to trade.
That's right. We need that.
Air tag for the new car.
Sick. All right. So we are heading to Carvana. This is the vending machine. It's supposed to come down. Jesus, it's windy. And we're supposed to pick it up here. But we don't see it up there. So let's go figure out what's good. Bro, this is sick.
Yo, look at it.
That's crazy.
That's so sick.
Yo. This is like the Porsche Tower in Miami. You know how they have one?
Yeah, I've seen that.
Literally, that is crazy.
Drive into your apartment.
Dude. You excited?
Hella excited, bro.
Let's go.
Stick shift back.
Let's go.
Buying a car through Carvana is way different from a traditional dealership. Everything starts online, you browse their inventory, you see the price up front, and even get pre-qualified for financing. No negotiating, no sales pressure. Once you pick up a car, you upload your documents, choose your payment, and schedule delivery or pickup. At locations like this, you can get a pickup token and use it at their car vending machine, which automatically retrieves your car and brings it down to you. After pickup, you get a 7-day test ownership period to drive it and make sure you actually like it, something most dealerships don't offer.
You guys get a preview.
That's insane.
Yo, how you feeling?
Excited, bro? You see that thing come down?
Oh my God.
Wait over here.
Okay.
Once the door is open, just stay off to the side. I'll roll it out.
Okay.
Sheesh.
Bro, the presentation was fire.
Immaculate. They couldn't have done that better.
Fire.
The rotation, I was like, it came down in the wrong direction just to face me.
My God.
Yo. Bro, look at your whip, man. How do you feel?
Insane, dude. It doesn't even feel real yet. Thank you. Lots of hard work. It's called Urban Gray Pearl.
Fire.
Yeah. Basically like a slate gray. pretty much.
Wow,
Yeah.
that is beautiful. Look at the
Man, that thing
seats.
sparkle in the sun, doesn't it?
Look at the seats.
This is tough. SI.
Any questions on anything?
Nah, that's it, man.
I'm gonna get my car from Carvana now.
Nothing else for me? That's it? Damn. Oh, it's mad the key's not in it.
Yo, how do you feel?
Insane. Way too excited, bro. Look
unreal.
how pretty that color is.
Unreal. All right, you're good.
Doesn't feel real yet. Look how pretty it looks.
He got a Honda Civic SI 2025, right?
2025, upgraded from a 19 LX. So I got my stick shift back in a nice, beautiful color.
Dude, I'm happy for you, bro.
Bro, baby. I'm happy, bro. Let's get it on the road.
This thing is tough. Bro.
Don't be mad if I stall.
Nah, it's okay.
Just kidding. That's all right. It won't stall. It's a little lighter. Check
It's
this out,
got a
though.
sunroof. We got a token. We got a token.
Souvenir token from the vending machine.
That's sick.
That is pretty neat.
Look at that 6-speed.
Yeah, I had a 5-speed before, so it's nice to have a 6-speed back.
Dude. How soft is that clutch?
So light, flaky, bro.
That's good, dude. My
Nice and
Mazda
flaky.
is like a race clutch. That
Yeah,
thing
it's
is-
aggressive. It's got auto rev matching too, so I can downshift without having to blip if I want to.
Oh,
You
that's
can- You
fire.
can turn it off too.
That's fire.
See?
Yeah.
Auto rev match for me into first, so I don't have to worry about stop signs.
Bro, you gotta punch it. Oh, it's got a rev limiter too up there.
Not a rev limiter, but
Or
rev indicator.
Rev
lights.
indicator. My dumb
So
ass.
they
said
changed that
rev.
because in the Type R, I think they had it stock up top,
Yo.
which is pretty insane.
Man, what a good buy. What a good buy, man.
Stop sign. Early stop sign I wasn't expecting. This looks like a nice straight road. What the hell? Oh, I see. I thought this was 2-lane road going that
Oh.
way. It's 2 lanes going each direction.
Dude, what a good buy, man.
It's insane, huh? And they gave me a full tank of gas. Shout out Carvana Hollywood for that.
Yes, sir.
Right off the lot, full tank of gas.
You don't get that too often.
Nah, bro. I did buy from a lot once that they gave me a full tank of gas for leaving a 5-star review, but oh, it's buttery, man. That clutch is buttery.
And the car sounds good, bro.
Pretty sure this
Man.
is out of sport mode too. If you put it in sport mode, it does have. Oh, that was in sport.
That wasn't sport mode?
Yeah. So in normal, you don't get like the faux engine sounds. It has a module that'll actually give you fake engine sounds to make it more fun to drive.
Oh, really?
You can unplug it. Yeah.
Man, this is fire.
Yeah. This is normal, so you can tell a little less sporty.
Yeah. But anyways, listen, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is Everett. I'll have his Instagram down here.
Carvana baby.
Carvana, you outdid yourself. That was nice. Great experience. And make sure you guys subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. And I will see you guys on the next one.